Welcome back to this YouTube channel. It's your boy Citizen Kwejo. If this is the first time you have seen this face on your screens, look, subscribe, like, share, and comment as well, because your comments are always welcome on this channel. You know, on this channel, we only talk about developmental issues that are regarding national development, issues that are of continental interest. Those are the things that we talk about. Look, I'm in a city far away from Accra. And guess what? A talent has been hidden for so many years over here. Today it's going to be discovered. I have the boy with me. He has been doing so marvelously well over here. I have his grandpa and then his aunts with me, as well as the guy himself. And guess what? We are going to talk to them. After the interview, I'm going to show you what this guy and his friend are capable of doing. But there's something we need to talk about. I came all the way from Accra to Asamankese to have a word with you, and then my aunt as well, and then Gabriel, and then her friend as well. Who is Gabriel, if I may ask?
Oh yes, Gabriel is my grandson, and he's living with his father in our front place, a place which is very remote. You know, no networks, no nothing, and he was producing these products from rubber waste. You see, when the aunt went there, she's a trader who trades between here and another front place. He went to see him and said, no, this place will not be very good for him. So he decided to bring him down. And so that's what happened. Gabriel is here with us. And actually, he's a student of the Volta Technical School at home. Because of financial constraints.
Oh, Africa and financial issues.
Still at home.
Wow.
He's still at home. You know, I'm on pension. And that the finances are not very good. So, yes. So when he came home, he decided to start, you know, producing the products. Yes, he would have done a lot of it. However, like it all ends up with
financial issues.
That's it.
Sure.
That is very few.
Now we will be a children when I say one, we hear a man be unsure. Uncle school be a electronics, physics, when you physics that. And I will tell you. How many years? Like, what shall I say now with you? What shall I say with electronics from us in? Now with you?
4 years.
Now with 4 years. And now, what shall I say? Oh, yes, I know my way. It was I say, none of my bed, you know, I've been out with me.
It's near Cockney, Yash, Nadia,
Okay, now it's me, helicopter, Ketua, Yacht, Ketua. Okay. And you said, we ain't me too.
Nyama afina mbele ni jimba nyama na mbele ni masomo da afina pese mi.
Okay, tinu obe yama nitu. Ubeti yama nitu.
But
engineering ni mwa ebe ma nitu. But ebeti me oputi kakra me ehu. Na ehu because no unya inspiration from him. Osun da na na ba we ni na wo ya na say who read the book be na fi wa say here how like send it here
ni na wana e ba ma ju say ade mi yes ya be yes the helicopter ba na mi pese mi hu say na ite ba mi hu
helicopter da say is your Philippines say hu bi da it just helicopter ni na bi mu keke na hu ye no na me a picture so my people, as I was saying, he hasn't read anything on physics or reading anything on electronics. He will just have the dream, and then he will just start doing something. It's just like a vision. Then he will start doing something. And you keep on saying that Africans can't make it. You know, it baffles me when you tell me that Africans are not capable of managing their own affairs. Africans can't make it. It beats my mind and then it provokes me a lot. see what this young man has been able to do. And we have leaders in our country who do not want to support our very own. Kantaka is just 1 in a million. This is much more, you know, we need to support this. This is what Africa needs to support. He said in few months to come, he's going to make sure that this thing will fly in the air. Yeah, bro. Nti no tese we no nyo bia na kire wo te ho na wa angasa wo ye na fan na sha se ebo tell fan na ebo. The military men, please, are you seeing this? This is what we need in our country. This is what Africa needs to support. This is what our various governments need to support. Just look at what he's doing. The military men, when they go for peacekeeping, people, they don't come out of these gates. It's only the pilots and then the co-pilots who are already there. So look at where they'll be passing to enter into this helicopter. Gabriel, let's show them. So as you can see, it's been open over here. It's been open over here. And you ask yourself, how can an African child, look at the staircase as well. He has even made staircase. Gabriel, can you close it and let's see? So is this not what government needs to support? I think this is what government need to support. Gabriel, can you bring it back again? This is what Africa needs to support. This is what our people need to support. If a young man of his age is capable of doing such things and he gets a support at this early stage, don't we think that he is going to take this country to a next level? Don't you think that he is going to take Africa to the next level? Yes, we can. We are capable of doing this. As I said earlier on, I'm going to show you his other works that he has been doing. And look, you'll be thrilled. I am pleading Africa. We can do this. Let's support this guy. Let's support what he's doing in Africa. Governments in Africa and governments in our country. Let's support Gabriel on what he has been doing over here in Asaman Kese. We can do it, yes. We can. We will. And we have to put in all effort. Look, there are people gathered all over here just to look at him. Cameraman, kindly take a look. Make sure that everyone over here, let my people see that everyone over here is in support of what Gabriel is doing. His grandpa is sitting over there. Cars have been packed over here. These are friends of him who are in support of what he's doing. They are all here, all to support whatever Gabriel is doing. Gabriel, come. We are going to look at your car. Your car now. We are going to look at it and then operate it as well. On wasting money, we keep on spending unnecessarily, and we are not putting in any effort. My cameraman, light blinking, no. Someone who has been able to manufacture this, they don't have any form, they've not been to even SHS, the senior high school, they've not been to senior high school. But look at what they are doing. Look at the great work these guys are doing over here. The car is even playing a song as well, just like the one we saw in Daniel's home. And look at what he's also doing over here. They need support. They need support. They need your support. They need your support. And this is what we need to see. The car is about to move. It is about to move. And if ask yourself, if we are in a country where we do not want to support our own, if government should see these guys in any robbery, they will get policemen, the security service to come and then get hold of them. So as they are doing this as well to promote development, there is the need for government to support these guys. The car, they started this thing when they were very, very, very young. It started when they were very young. So there is an air conditioner in the car. Is it saying? A shame. Yet it is indeed cooling. I am telling you, I am attesting to the fact that indeed the car is cooling. The car, oh God, we just have to support this. We have no other option than to support this. Look at what they are doing over here. And government don't want to support these young men. We don't have to wait for them to rot in a Samankase before we say, had we known. The car is moving. The car is moving gradually. It has an air condition, the tail lights, the headlights, everything is in order. And there's no need for us to waste time again. We need to push. We need to push such people. We do not need theoretical education. This is pure talent. We can't waste this talent and be thinking that they need formal education. They need just English, math, science, and then social studies to make it in life. They need practical education. This is pure talent being wasted. Can you see? I decided to make a voiceover for this particular video I'm about showing you. It's mainly because where we were at the point in time, there was so much noise. In fact, I couldn't hear myself when I was speaking, so there's the need for me to do a voiceover and then narrate whatever you are seeing over there. Look, this young man you are seeing over there has been able to manufacture a yacht. I asked him, have you seen a yacht before? He said no, he hasn't seen one before. Now he's about showing us a yacht moving on the surface of this river. Gradually you can see the yacht moving. It was moving and I was so shocked. I couldn't believe a young man who hasn't gotten any. Look, the yacht is even coming back. The reverse itself is just something that thrilled me. I was so much impressed with whatever he was doing. He hasn't gotten any formal education on physics, electronics, engineering, nothing. He has no formal education on these subjects. But look at the repellers. The repellers are what you are seeing. They are the ones making the yacht to move. How can you just sit and then plan something like this, have an idea? You've not seen a yacht before, so what even made him get this understanding and then this knowledge that there should be repellers to look at the repellers? And why don't we support this? Africa needs to support these people. This young man and the friend needs our support. They need our support. The reverse alone is something that I just can't stand. The reverse. Let's support them. He wanted to make a very huge yacht, but due to financial constraints, he just decided to use plastic to do this. All the cars, the yacht, and everything he has been able to manufacture are all made of plastic. Let's support our own. Government needs to support this. Individuals who are wealthy, well-to-do, needs to support this young man and the friend who are doing so well. Who are doing so well. I'm going to show you the works of his friend as well in my next video. Let's support them. Africa will rise again. Africa is rising. Ghanaians are rising. Let's support our own. Let's put politics aside and support talent. Those with pure talent. Let's put the theoretical education aside and focus on practical education, because that is the only way we can move forward as a continent and as a country. Let's support our own. Let's support Africa. Let's support our very own.